For beginners, I'll say most of the first timers, they make their paper one very strong. Hello friends, a very warm welcome to the platform of Prep Ladder. I am Shatabdi Mazumdar, All India Rank 80 in UPSC CSE 2019. And in this video, I'll briefly talk about what can be some tips for beginners, particularly for those who are taking this 2021 prelims for the first time. I know you must be really tensed with only around 70 days left for your prelims. So my piece of advice, my humble suggestion is that keep it very simple. Keep your strategy very plain and simple. First of all, don't overload yourself with a lot of resources. Keep your resources very limited. See, when it comes to prelims, the success mantra, the success equation is very lucid. You will have to focus on 3 to 4 components. First, the core subjects. By core subjects, I mean the static subjects like history, like polity, like environment, economy, and geography, and science and tech. Next component is the current affairs component, wherein you will have to cover around 10 to 12 months of current affairs. And the third component is taking tests and revising those tests. So for beginners, my suggestion for the first component, which is the core or the static part, I'll say that ये जो 6 subjects है, इनको आप जितना भी बार possible है revise it multiple times and revise it from the limited resources. Abhi at this stage, do not add any more resources. To quickly run you through my resource list, I'm sure you would all be knowing about the resources for these 6 subjects, but still अगर आपको compare करके देखना है या अभी भी strategize करना है, I don't suggest a radical change in your strategy at this point of time, but you can just match up your resources. Coming to polity, it's Lakshmikant. Don't read beyond that. And coming to history, ancient history and medieval history, अगर आपने पहले नहीं पढ़ा है तो अभी do not overload yourself. Do not read much of ancient or medieval history right now, because you will not be able to register all those things right now with only 70 days left. Next, coming to modern history, you will have to read the Bipin Chandra part and also the Spectrum book, okay, by Rajiv Ahir. So that is about history. Coming to economy, if you are conceptually sound, if you are ready with the concepts, no need to read any book. Just cover the current affairs part from the monthly magazines. Coming to geography, refer to the 4 NCERT books of class 11th and 12th. There are 4 of them. Be thorough with that. Apart from that, if you have already read GC Leong once or twice, you can revise it. But अगर आपने पहले GC Leong नहीं पढ़ा है, अभी 70 days बाकी है, अभी आप इसको ना पढ़ें. Coming to environment, you can just flip through the this thing Shankar IAS book, and that's about it. Coming to science and tech, don't burden yourself too much with the NCERT books. Just have a overview of the current issues what are going on in science and tech field. So that is about the resources of static part. Static part में आप कम से कम mistakes करने की कोशिश कीजिए. 10% से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन आपका गलत नहीं होना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एवरी ईयर अराउंड 40 to 50 questions come from the core part or the static part, and you shouldn't be making more than 10% mistakes. मतलब 40 questions आ रहे हैं तो 4 question से ज़्यादा गलत नहीं होना चाहिए. 50 question आ रहा है तो 5 question से ज़्यादा गलत नहीं होना चाहिए. If you are making more number of mistakes, there are high chances that you will be out of the race in prelims. So that is about the first component, core part. Next part is current affairs. Again, keep it very simple. एक ही magazine को stick कीजिए आप. There are magazines available in the market. You can choose any one and stick to that particular magazine for around 10 to 12 months का आपको cover करना है. And abhi with only 2 months left, you can keep aside the newspaper reading part. Do not overburden. अगर time manage हो रहा है then read newspapers. Otherwise last 1 month में कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है. न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना. That is about the current affairs part. The third part is test, the most important part I would say. टेक एज मेनी टेस्ट एज पॉसिबल. अभी आप जिस स्टेज में हो, हर दिन एक टेस्ट लेना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. टारगेट आपका रखना है अराउंड 5,000 to 10,000 क्वेश्चंस आपको सॉल्व करके जाना है. नॉट ओनली सॉल्व करके जाना है, यू विल ऑल्सो हैव टू रिवाइज दोज टेस्ट दैट यू आर टेकिंग. So around 50 to 100 mock tests is something that you can look at. So that is about the tests part. Next, fourth component is the previous year questions. वो आप लास्ट 5 to 10 years का प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस रेफ़र करके जाइए. उससे आपको एक फेयर आइडिया लग जाएगा व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस यूपीएससी आस्क. कोई रेपिटिशन या कॉमन तो नहीं आने वाला उससे, बट यू विल गेट एन आइडिया कि हाउ यूपीएससी इज़ मोर कॉन्सेप्ट ओरिएंटेड. So that is about it. And yes, for beginners I'll say most of the first timers they make their paper 1 very strong, but CSAT में वो weak रह जाते हैं या फिर they ignore the CSAT part completely. उससे क्या होता है, you might clear the cut off in paper 1, but हो सकता है आपके CSAT में adequate marks नहीं आते. Yes, CSAT के marks add तो नहीं होते, but it is qualifying in nature, and I've seen many of my friends who are from engineering background and yet they have flunked the prelim stage because of CSAT paper. So do not take it lightly. So that is my piece of advice or humble suggestion for those beginners who are taking the prelims in 2021 for the first time. Thank you, and all the very best, and come out in flying colors. That's all. Thank you.